Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain about course of study of science for class 10. It contains total 23 chapters which are divided into four categories, namely physics, chemistry, biology, astronomy and geology. In physics there are 6 chapters: force, pressure, energy, heat, light, electricity and magnetism. In chemistry, there are 7 chapters: classification of elements, where you will be discussing about periodic table; chemical reaction, we will be learning about different types of chemical reaction; acid base salt, some gases, metals, hydrocarbon and its compounds, materials used in daily life. Similarly, in biology, we have 7 chapters: invertebrates, nervous and glandular system, circulatory system, chromosomes and sex determination, asexual and sexual reproduction, artificial reproduction in plants, heredity, environment, pollution, and management. In astronomy and geology, there are 3 chapters: history of Earth, climate change and atmosphere, and universe. Here is annual plan. Your SCE examination normally takes place in third or fourth week of March. Hence, to have enough revision, we plan to finish whole syllabus by December. In April, there are 9 teaching days. So in 9 teaching days, we will finish chapter 4. In May, we have 23 school days. So we'll be completing 4 different chapters: pressure, classification of elements, chemical reactions, and invertebrates. In June, there are 25 school days. So we'll be learning nervous and glandular system, acid, base, and salt, and some gases. In July, there are 25 school days. So we'll be learning energy, heat, some gases, metals, hydrocarbons and its compounds, and circulatory system. In August, there are 20 school days. So we'll be learning chromosome and sex determination, asexual and sexual reproduction, hydrocarbon and its compounds, and history of Earth. In September, we'll be learning light, artificial reproduction in plants, and materials used in daily life. In October, we'll be just learning 3 chapters: climate change and atmosphere and heredity. By the October, your Dasai vacation begins. So in November, we have just 7 school days. So we'll be just learning 2 chapters: environment, pollution and management, and universe. And at last, in December, we have total 24 school days. So we'll be learning just 2 chapters and finish the syllabus. Before we go to types of questions, I would like to explain about grading system of secondary education examinations. In short, we say it SE exams. In exam, if you score between 90 to 100, then you will be awarded with grade A plus, that means GP 4. Similarly, if you score between 80 to 89.99, then sorry, you will have grade A, that means your GP will be 3.6. If you score 70 to 79.99, your grade is B plus and your GP will be 3.2. If you score 60 to 69.99, your grade is B, it means your GP is 2.8. If you score 50 to 59.99, your grade is C plus and your GP is 2.4. If you score 40 to 49.99, your grade is C and your GP is 2. And if you score between 30 to 39.99, your grade is D plus and your GP is 1.6, which is partially acceptable if you see the remarks. If similarly, if you score between 22 29.99, your grade is D and your grade point is 1.2. That means it shows insufficient content. And if you score below 20, your grade is E and GP is 0.8, which means very insufficient. So in your essay examination, there will be 4 types of questions which will be asked to you. So type 1 is group A, type 2 is group B, type 3 is group C, and type 4 is group D. So in group A, you will be asked K level question. K means here knowledge level questions. All together you will be asked 15 questions, each carrying 1 marks. In group B, you will be asked understanding level question, and total there will be 13 questions, each carrying 2 marks. In group C, you will be asked application level question, and there will be total 6 questions, each carrying 3 marks. And in group D, you will be asked higher ability level questions. Altogether there will be 4 questions, each carrying 4 marks. So here you will have theoretical exams of 75 marks, and the duration of your examinations will be 2 hours and 15 minutes. And also you need to face practical examination, which will be taking place during your school time only, and it will carry 25 marks, and duration of this examination will be 1 hour 30 minutes. So now let's learn about what kind of question is called knowledge level questions. So it will be always asked in group A, and total 15 questions will be asked, each carrying 1 mark. So if any question wants to know from you by memorizing or recalling of information, that kind of question is called K level questions. For example, what is gravity? Define pressure. How many volts are there in heart? Find the meaning of G equal to 9.8 meter per square second. Who is the father of biology? Name 2 types of acid. Where is found mine of coal in Nepal? List any 2 characteristics of uh, mammals. Or when did Newton's law of gravitation was designed? In group B, there will be questions of understanding level. It means this question wants to know from you either you have understood ideas or concept or not. So altogether there will be 13 questions carrying 2 marks. For example, give reason. So you'll be asked why question. Differentiate. You will be asked to write differences. Compare. Sorry, compare the differences. And some simple numerical problem will be asked. And convert, like convert hour into second, something like that. In group C, you will be asked questions of A level, application level. It means you will be using information and knowledge in different situations. So altogether 6 questions will be asked, each carrying 3 marks. So examples are use laws and principles to answer the question, execute the formula, implement the concept, solving high level of numerical problem, and demonstration, interpretation, and drawing. In group D, the questions will be asked of higher ability level, and here you are expected to develop your own opinions based on information and knowledge you have. So there will be 4 questions asked, each carrying 4 marks. Like example, justify verify, analyze, draw conclusion, and sketch. So here let's know about grid of your theoretical examination. So here you can see at the top, K means knowledge level question, understanding level question, application level question, and higher ability level question. So in physics, you will be asked 5 questions of knowledge level, 4 questions of understanding level, 2 questions of application level, and 1 question of higher ability level. So altogether from physics, 23 questions will be asked. From chemistry, you will have 4 knowledge level question, 4 understanding level question, 2 application level question, and 1 higher ability question. So altogether you will be asked of 22 marks. In biology, you will have 5 knowledge level question, 4 understanding level question, 2 application level question, and 1 higher ability question. So it will carry 23 marks, which is almost same as physics. The last, astronomy and geology, in knowledge level you will be asked 1 question, in understanding 1 question, there will be no any application question here, and from higher ability 1 question. So altogether you will be asked of 7 marks. So total question from knowledge, you will have 15 questions as we discussed already. So total number of questions is 38. So in science you will have 38 questions. So in knowledge level you will be having total marks 15, understanding level 26, application 18, and higher ability 16. So altogether it will be of 75 marks. Similarly, let's discuss about a grid of practical exams. So you will have 5 different sectors: spotting, practical file records, lab preparation, project work, and viva. So in spotting examination, you are supposed to do sketching, naming the given specimen, classification of given specimen, and writing 2 comments. So it will carry 5 marks, and this examination is a 15 minutes. So this test you will be giving during examination. Similarly, we have another sector, practical file records. Throughout the year, you are supposed to maintain the record of practical files. So it carries 6 marks, and then you will be submitting this at the end of examination. Similarly, you need to show the lab preparation. It carries 6 marks, and duration will be 1 hour, and you will be doing during exams. Project work. So you will be assigned a project work beforehand, and then you will be submitting report of that project work along with the materials that you have collected, and it carries 4 marks, and then during examination you need to submit it. And at last, viva. So you will have Q&A session, and you will be asked questions based on your syllabus by some external, and it carries 4 marks, and maximum duration will be 5 minutes. So it will also take place during the exams. So my dear students, so this much for today. So wish you all the best for SCA 2077. Let's hope for the best result. Thank you.